Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little warning video. Once again, this is something that basically regularly comes back and back all the time, and it's one of the major ways to get infected. You get a window like this that says a Flash player is it needs to be updated, or a Flash Player Pro version is required, or Flash Player is required for this video and you don't have it, or you need it. Remember, this is a scam. You have Flash Player in every browser today. So if you use Google Chrome, for example, Flash is part of Chrome. It's updated within the browser itself. You never have to go and download Flash Player anymore. It's something you don't need. If you use Edge, same thing. These are scams. They usually come from websites that are not necessarily the best places to go in the world. Often when you go astray and go into websites like porn sites or websites of illegal downloads of stuff. There are some game websites that actually have sometimes these types of problems. But remember, you never need a Flash Player update like this. Never. This is something that is not required, and when it shows up in your browser, it's really always a scam. Remember, Flash Player is available and already integrated into the most popular web browsers. Remember also that a lot of websites don't require this anymore. A lot of video sites now use other video platforms. Flash Player is soon to actually end in 2020. Most browsers and most websites will need to have moved on to something else because Flash will be retired. And it's going to be a good thing because Flash Player has always been a problem over time. So, tell your friends, tell your family, this is still something, and apparently it's on the rise again. It's something that people tend to fall for, and the latest updates like this can bring you all sorts of things. Malware, it can bring you, some keyloggers that'll try to snoop and find your passwords. It can also, and what is presently the real problem is that it downloads cryptocurrency miners in your PC. So, if you start having your PC running hot because it's running all the time at 100% CPU, maybe you've got a cryptocurrency miner, So remember, never, ever click this, ever. And if you really, in some extreme cases, need it, don't click this. Go to the adobe.com website. And from there, click on their Flash Player on their own Adobe Player page, Adobe website page, because you'll get it from the real source. Never click something that pops up like this that you don't know where it comes from. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.